Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a phone number to your GoHighLevel account. It's quick, simple, and only takes a minute, so let's jump right in. First off, go ahead and log into your GoHighLevel account and open the sub account where you want the new number. And then on the bottom left corner, you want to click on settings, then go to phone numbers. Here, you want to hit the blue add number button, then choose add phone number. Now, you'll see the search screen. You want to select your country and you can filter by local numbers using an area code or choose a toll-free number if that's what you prefer. Now, once you find a number you like, just click proceed to buy and you're done. Your new number will be added instantly and ready to use for calls, SMS, and automations. That's it. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!